TTR, the most trusted name in aircraft ground support equipment.
Hello and thank you for watching our video on our TTR series. In this video we're going to be going over basic commissioning after receiving your new TTR. The TTR series is the latest from Eagle, meaning the EPA Tier 4 final emission standards that are required in the United States. The TTR uses the same robust technology, providing the reliability and performance of the Eagle TT series, while also meeting those latest emission standards. In order to commission the TTR family, there's a few basic procedures we go through after receiving the unit to ensure that it's ready to key on. After receiving the unit, we can open the hood here, as well as our side door, to get access to our oil dipstick. To check the oil, simply remove the oil dipstick, verify that it's to the maximum level on the dipstick, and replace on the unit. If for any reason the oil is low on the unit, simply remove the cap on the top of the engine block and service with the correct oil as identified in the operating and service manual. The TTR series has hydraulic brakes, so to check the hydraulic oil level, open this latch here on the front, check the sight gauge inside on the right-hand side here to see a visible gauge for the hydraulic oil level. To service the hydraulic oil, simply remove the cap up in front of the operator compartment and service with the correct hydraulic oil as called out in the OSM. To check the coolant level, simply remove the cap on the rear of the unit near the radiator and verify that the radiator is full of coolant. If the radiator does need coolant, service with the recommended coolant fluid as called out in the operating service manual. To check the transmission fluid, use an Allen key to remove the side panel here and find a dipstick to check transmission oil level, verifying that there's sufficient transmission fluid on the dipstick. After checking the transmission oil, engine oil, coolant, and hydraulic fluid level, service the unit with ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel only. The TTR series will only run on ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel. Your final step for commissioning is to turn on the ignition switch, verify that there are no warnings or errors on the display, and ensure that the battery voltage is sufficient for starting the unit. At this time, you're ready to key on and operate the tug.
For more information, contact product support at tronair.com or call 419-866-6301.